Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious banana bread loaf. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas mashed, along with 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt ready. This ensures your bread rises perfectly and tastes amazing. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together your mashed bananas, the egg, sugar, and melted butter until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Then, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix just until everything is combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough loaf. This step is crucial for a moist and tender texture. It's time to bake. Pour your batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. This indicates your banana bread is perfectly baked through. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set before you transfer it. Then, carefully remove the loaf and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve it warm, perhaps with a pat of butter, or enjoy it at room temperature. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.